Opening the front cover and pulling out the finisher unit, you will then be able to access the staples. You'll need to find the green handle and lift up and out. Pay attention to the direction of the arrow. This is the direction that the replacement staples will need to be inserted. Pushing the two green buttons either side will release the spring. Remove the old cartridge paper and insert the new staples with the arrow facing towards the cartridge. Please leave this piece out of the cartridge. Push the springs back down to lock in the staples. And then remove the tab paper. Insert back into the device and listen for the click to confirm it is locked in place. If you find your machine has jammed, you will find your stapler will be pushed back in the finisher. Please do not remove your staples when the machine is in this position. Instead, push the finisher unit back into the machine and close the door. You will hear the machine resetting the stapler back into the home position. From here, you can remove the staple cartridge and, if necessary, remove any loose staples.